everyone, this is Kiko Vlog, favorite your actor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad, oh my God, I've been waiting this production for so long. Kahapon pa ako naghahanap ng video kay Ruel Carino, kahit sa TikTok, chinek ko na yung TikTok niya, kahit sa Facebook, wala pa din talaga akong mahanap ng mga video sa kanya. Sabi ko, oh my God, parang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakagawa ng Ruel Carino na mga na reaction video. Hindi pwedeng walang Ruel Carino kasi si Jerome kahapon, may tatlo ako kay Jerome. So dapat meron din si Ruel, parang walang selosan. Hindi, lang. Walang may nagsiselos for today's video. And wait lang, may narinig akong chismis. Can you comment down below kung totoo ba yung narinig ko? Nakasama si Ruel Carino sa Pasigenyo na kanilang, how do I say this, na kanilang yung Pasigenyo na concert. Tama ba ako? So, yeah, I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Kasama ba dun si Ruel sa kay na Jerome sa February 14 na concert? Can you comment down below? Can you clarify that one? Kasi may nag-comment kasi nakasama daw si Ruel. Pero hindi ako sure. Kasi based dun sa RJTV na performance si Jerome, wala naman dun si Ruel. Pero may nag-comment na kasama dun si Ruel. So, hindi ko alam kung kanino ako maniniwala. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano yung kakantahin nila dito? Excited ako. Ay. Oh my God! Wow! Ay, hello! Just the way you are! Ay, wow! Totoo ba? Okay. Ay, siguro, ang gwapo naman ni Ruel for today's video. Alam mo, gwapo talaga siya pag gumaganyan-ganyan siya. Nakakainis. Hindi po alam mo yung, given the fact na baby pa siya. Charis. Di ba? Given the fact. Di ba mas cute talaga yung mga baby boy na parang nag-act like matured na sila. Di ba? Mas cute yon. Pero yan, kaya cute na cute ako sa kanya. Kasi pag kumakanta siya, pag kumakanta siya, tapos kung nag-a-act siya or ang galaw niya is very baby boy, nakakadala. Parang baby boy na bibnata. You know what I mean? Just, pero excited ako sa kanta niya. Ayoko, si Daddy din never disappoints, di ba? Yan yung sinasabi ko.
She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
Okay.
I know, when I compliment he won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that don't see what I see.
Ay, sino ba yung kumakanta? Ay, si Dulce pala to? Okay. Akala ko audience.
When I see your face,
Oh, the harmonizations.
there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Oh, the harmonization is giving. I love it.
And when you smile,
I have to commend the harmonization. Paulit-ulit ko itong sinasabi sa mga reaction video ko, especially to, how do I say this? Especially to, what do you call this? Especially sa mga GMA singers. Kasi sila talaga the GMA singers talaga, pagdating sa harmonization, magaling talaga sila. Like yung balancing, like yung tipong walang sapawan. And naka-classified ko talaga na magaling ang isang singer pag they know or she or he knows how to blend her or his voice with their co-singers as well na kumakanta. Yung tipong walang sapawan, yung tipong hindi mo kailangan lakasan ang boses mo para mapansin yung boses mo. You know what I mean? Yan yung maganda, yung balancing nila. Yung tipong hindi lang magaling ang boses mo, kundi pati tenga mo is magaling din. Love that. Anyways. Wait.
there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Grabe yung vibrato ng kay Dulce.
And when you smile,
Wow. Jerome, Ruel Carino as bass. Siya yung bass.
just the way you are.
Okay, ang gwapo ni Ruel.
And when you smile,
Diba? Yan yung sinasabi ko na magaling siya. Pati yung tenga niya magaling. Kasi he don't need to shout. He don't need to lakasan his boses. He don't need na mangsapaw siya just for him para mapansin siya. Diba? Kung napapansin nyo, chilla yung boses niya. Parang nagsasalita lang siya pero kumakanta siya during that time.
And when you smile,
Yes.
the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah, Tapakas! Ito na ba?
Ay, teka.
Come on!
Nakanta na siya. What's next?
The way you are, the way you are, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face,
I love it.
there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
He ended the song.
When you smile,
I love it.
the whole world stops and
Ang gwapo niya,
stares
no?
for a while.
Ang gwapo niya talaga, Mem.
Amazing,
Promise.
just the way you are. 'Cause girl, you're
Amazing, just the way
Grabe yung boses.
you are.
Yes! I love it! Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from Ruel Cariños and other clones Dulce and Gary V. Just the way you are. Ang ganda ng balancing ng boses nila dito. And ang sabi ko nga sa inyo, magaling talaga na singer si Ruel. Kasi alam mo bakit? Hindi niya kailangang sumigaw, hindi niya kailangan lakasan ang boses niya para mapansin siya. I love that attitude. So yeah, without further ado, i-cut na natin to at magko-continue pa tayo. May The Clones ata ngayon no, na nanonood ako. Bye!